Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Toyota Prius with Key Easy method. Start by standing at the driver door with the key blade exposed and the door closed. Insert the key fully and turn it gently toward the rear of the car while holding the handle. If you feel resistance, wiggle the key slightly and maintain steady pressure until the lock turns and the door pops open. If the key will not turn, try a few simple fixes before calling for help. Apply a small amount of graphite or lock lubricant into the keyhole to free sticking tumblers and avoid liquid oils. Check that the steering wheel is not locked by gently turning it while you test the key. If problems persist, try a spare key to determine if the primary key is worn or damaged and needs replacement. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control, perfect for hands-free commands while you work on your car. It's compact, affordable, and fun to use around the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For emergencies, the manual key is your best immediate option to access the car. If locks are frozen from cold, warm the key in your hands first to reduce jamming. Use the unlocked driver door to access interior controls and try the electronic unlock option if available. If none of these methods work, contact roadside assistance to avoid damaging the lock or key by forcing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.